What is avian bone pneumatization? Have you ever wondered how birds manage to soar through the skies with such grace? One fascinating aspect of their anatomy plays a key role in this ability: avian bone pneumatization. So, what exactly does this mean? Avian bone pneumatization refers to the presence of air-filled cavities within certain bones of birds. These cavities are connected to the bird's respiratory system, specifically to air sacs that extend into the bones, making them hollow or partially hollow. This feature is unique among living four-limbed vertebrates and is a key characteristic of bird anatomy. To understand this better, let's look at how birds breathe. Birds have a specialized respiratory system that includes rigid lungs and a series of flexible air sacs. These air sacs help move air through the lungs efficiently, acting like bellows. During their development, extensions of these air sacs called pneumatic diverticula grow into the bones, creating those air-filled spaces. This process results in postcranial skeletal pneumaticity, meaning air cavities are found in bones behind the skull, such as in the vertebrae, sternum, humerus, and pelvis. Now, why is this important? The main purpose of pneumatization is to reduce skeletal weight without sacrificing strength. Bird bones are generally thin yet dense and stiff, optimized for flight. The hollow, air-filled structure lowers the overall mass of the skeleton, helping birds maintain a high strength-to-weight ratio essential for flying. However, these pneumatic bones are not just empty. They have an internal honeycomb-like structure that provides strength while being lightweight. The extent of pneumatization varies among bird species depending on their lifestyle. Birds that fly long distances, like songbirds, tend to have more extensively pneumatized bones to keep their bodies lighter. In contrast, flightless or ground-dwelling birds such as penguins and ostriches have fewer or no pneumatic bones because they do not rely on flight. Birds like chickens, turkeys, and pheasants have a moderate degree of pneumatization. From the perspective of birds, pneumatization is a remarkable adaptation that supports their ability to fly efficiently. It integrates the respiratory system with the skeleton, allowing the bones to serve dual functions: structural support and part of the breathing apparatus. This adaptation likely evolved from ancient ancestors related to dinosaurs and pterosaurs, indicating a long evolutionary history of this trait. In practical terms, pneumatization contributes to flight by making the skeleton lighter while maintaining necessary strength. It also may play a role in respiration by allowing air sacs to extend throughout the body, improving oxygen flow and possibly aiding in thermoregulation. Avian bone pneumatization is the process by which air sacs invade certain bones, creating hollow spaces that reduce skeletal weight and support the demands of flight. It is a distinctive feature of bird anatomy that reflects their unique respiratory system and evolutionary heritage.